Good morning and Merry Christmas from Super Blast Pressure Washing. I'm Don, and you guessed it, I'm under contract with Carrabba's Restaurants, and I have to clean this restaurant this morning. You know, I'd rather be making money than spending money. I don't know about you. This is like a 45-minute job, and it pays $400. So, and we're here to get this foot traffic off of these doorways. As you can see, it's very black. There's always a footpath. In front of the doors isn't too bad. This is a monthly. We're set up. There's my hose. We're just gonna, this is a painted surface, so it comes clean really very fast. This cement here, we'll have to get SH. The windows are all gonna get it. Everything gets cleaned off all the way down here, and we'll have to take the 31-inch Mondo to these sidewalks and the path up to the door here. Another entrance to the restaurant. Deliveries and pickups. Now here, this gets a lot of foot traffic, okay? Now, you see how black that is? That's like disgusting, right? Well, I sprayed a little bit when I got here. Okay, now that's gonna come all, that's all gonna come off of there. And what we're using is straight chlorine. Now down here in Florida, the chlorine's a little bit stronger. It's like 15%. Regular bleach is 5, and then the stuff you guys get up north is probably 12 or so, or 11. Anyway, we're gonna get this job done, and we'll be back to see what it looks like at the end of the job. And once again, Merry Christmas from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Okay, let's have a look at the treated area. See that? Yeah, it's all turning white. It's just gonna rinse right off of there. Let's go up here. Treated in front of that doorway there as well. Just the heavy duty areas. Then we're gonna come in here and we're gonna put some SH with some bleach add, which is the soap. And we're gonna hit the rest of this stuff with that. But all these traffic areas, you see that? It's all turned white. Everything's turning white. Okay, that means it's just gonna come right off. By the door here. Just heavy duty foot traffic. All right, let's go ahead and put some SH down. As you can see, they got the tables pretty well spread out because of the virus again. A lot of pickup and a lot of takeout. So I put the SH on all the furniture so we disinfect it. So I'm gonna have to move you to the next table, all right? Look at that. Now when you come to eat here tomorrow, won't be no virus at that table. All right, Merry Christmas. We'll be right back with the finish. All right, then we're gonna do this walkway here so the mini Mondo will do its job. Always want to hit these awnings. These awnings get hit every time. Keeps them clean. It's such a mild mix that I have, it doesn't really affect it. Been doing those awnings for years. We hit the building a little bit. just in the entrance. Makes things look really good. Plus it makes Super Blast look very good too. And don't forget to do the handrails. Get everything cleaned up for the next wave of people coming in here from out of state. Everybody's on vacation. We want to make sure everything's disinfected as to the operating manager, proprietor of this restaurant requested. So we're all good. All right, we'll see ya. Don here from Super Blast. Hey, just remember when you're traveling a long distance on an interstate and you're doing like 80 miles an hour with your trailer and all this water and weight, always try to drain it out a little bit so you don't have any problems. Plus you save gas money and wear and tear on your vehicle. That's a contractor tip. Super Blast pressure washing. Delivery area, man, I tell you, the stairs were really dirty. Poof, now they're clean. Super Blast pressure washing strikes again. Good morning and Merry Christmas. Hey, I'm just rolling through Tampa. Listening to some Fred George music. Just got done making $400 in about 45 minutes on this wonderful Christmas day. So I'm wishing everybody the best holiday season and Merry Christmas, and I hope everybody prospers and does very well in 2022. Happy New Year.